Welcome to the presentation of WAGNER's Aspirating Smoke Detection Systems. The content of the presentation will be divided in three sections: basic informations, products and unique selling points. The graph shows a typical fire development of a solid material. There are four stages: the ignition stage, the smoldering fire, the flashover and the full fire. By using aspirating smoke detection systems, time will be countermeasure, compared to conventional detectors. If the detection process is combined with an automatic shutdown in a data processing environment, the source of the ignition process will be eliminated. The fire has not the power to hold on. After the concerned components are replaced, the business process could be continued. A worldwide statistic shows that 68% of the causes of a fire are predominantly smoldering fires. In these cases, aspirating smoke detection devices can countermeasure time. The next slide shows fire detection in comparison. Conventional detectors have mostly with a sensitivity of 3.6% light obscuration per meter. This conventional smoke detector will be compared with aspirating smoke detectors with 0.5, 0.1, and 0.015% light obscuration per meter. The conventional smoke detector goes on alarm at 88% light obscuration. The aspirating smoke detectors reach the alarm level between 20 and 1% light obscuration. As the result of the comparison, the most sensitive aspirating smoke detector will on alarm on the border between invisible and visible smoke. The conventional detector reaches the alarm level after extensive flames accrued. An exhaust fan sucks the air through the pipe system. The air passes the detector chamber, where the smoke particle will be detected by a high-power light source. Air samples are taken continuously through defined air sampling point openings. Advanced airflow monitoring secures the observation of the pipe for blockages and ruptures. The fault alarm-free smoke detection is owed to intelligent signal processing. This slide shows an overview of WAGNER's Titanus family. From right to the left, the products Titanus Top Sense, Titanus Super Sense, Titanus Pro Sense, Titanus Micro Sense and Titanus Rack Sense are shown. The Titanus Micro Sense has the ability to observe approximately 400 square meters and Titanus Top Sense and Pro Sense up to 1,600 square meters. Titanus Super Sense will be used for special applications like clean rooms, and the Titanus Rack Sense for observation of 19-inch airtight racks. The sensitivity of a Titanus aspirating smoke detection system is depending on the selected detector module. Different detector modules are available for the Titanus family. This slide shows the maximum achievable display sensitivity for each type of the Titanus devices. Some of the devices can be equipped with a 10 LED bar graph indicating the smoke level inside the protected area. Depend on the customer's requirements, the devices could provide 1 to 3 alarm stages. Titanus Pro Sense and Titanus Top Sense have the ability to include 2 detectors in one device, used either for 2 detector dependency or for extension of the observed area. The Titanus Micro Sense is able to identify the room where the smoke was detected. Conventional air sampling smoke detection devices working on a noise level of 45 to 55 dBA, due to European regulation applications, like living and sleeping rooms, rooms for education and working, prayer rooms, computer working places, hospitals and others, requires maximum noise levels below 40 dBA. The solution is the Titanus Silent version with noise levels between 23 and 34 dBA. WAGNER's Titanus aspirating smoke detection systems have a high immunity against false alarms. The detector utilizes smoke development patterns to differentiate between fires and false alarm scenarios. These patterns are used in WAGNER as intelligent signal processing software Logic Sense, and have been improved for several years. In these patterns, numerous fire and false alarm scenarios as well as general characteristic of fire development are stored. WAGNER provides several detector modules with different sensitivities. The design for an air sampling smoke detection system should be based on the standard EN 5420. Depending on the fire class and the environmental conditions, the sensitivity of the detector shall be selected. The sensitivity range for each detector module is adjustable. Select the right sensitivity for the application, and reduce probability for false alarms and save costs. Be as sensitive as necessary. WAGNER utilizes an ultra-bright LED, the so-called high-power light source. Advantages of the high-power light source are the optimized light spectrum suitable to analyze all fire types, the high light efficiency, low heat development, low energy consumption, wide temperature range and the long lifetime. The high-power light source is the latest evolution step in light source development. WAGNER's air sampling devices provide an innovative airflow monitoring. WAGNER applied for a new patent already. The airflow monitoring is called Pipe Guard. The Pipe Guard provides a combination of intelligent analysis functions, temperature compensation and air pressure dependent adjustments. The advantages are that the Pipe Guard has the ability to identify manipulations, even in extensive pipe systems, such as act of sabotage, blockages, pipe crushes and pipe breakages. The Pipe Guard could be adjusted to observe even a single aspirating hole blockage. In dirty and dusty environments, the Pipe Guard has the ability to work together with WAGNER's patented manual or automatic pipe flowing free system. The device's tightness top sense and pro sense have the opportunity to add a second detector in the same basic device. This detector could be used for dual detector dependency. Dual detector dependency will be ensure that actions can be taken only if both detectors on alarm level. Actions could be starting and extinguishing process, shutdown processes for computer hardware, power shutdown and other more. 2 detectors in one device save costs. Conventional air sampling smoke detection devices working on a noise level of 45 to 55 dBA, due to European regulation applications, like living and sleeping rooms, rooms for education and working, prayer rooms, computer working places, hospitals and others requires maximum noise levels below 40 dBA. The solution is the tightness silent version with noise levels between 23 and 34 dBA. All aspirating holes in the pipe system will be drilled with the same diameter. The exact required diameter of the hole will be achieved by using the reducing film or the plastic airflow reducer with the designed diameter. Together with the patented clips for airflow reducers, the systems are able to providing functionalities like manual or automatic blowing free in cold storages or very dusty areas. WAGNER's aspirating smoke detection systems providing automatic initializing during installation within seconds after pressing the initializing button. For maintenance matters, all integrated components can be mounted and demounted without using tools. The devices have an integrated easy diagnosis, via flashing signal and detector module or via diagnosis software. The diagnosis software DIAG offers extensive service information. All alarm and fault messages are stored for at least 72 hours inside the device. With Tightness Rack Sense, WAGNER has created new possibilities for the monitoring of EDP and control cabinets. Devices are available optionally for the mounting into cabinets in 1 height unit version for fire detection, or in 2 height unit version with integrated fire extinguishing using NAVIC. Tightness Rack Sense provides among others the following options: automatic shutdown, triggering of an external extinguishing system, temperature monitoring with up to 5 sensors, dual detector dependency and selectable sensitivities. WAGNER's Tightness devices could be optional equipped with a network adapter. The data and event logging will be realized with an onboard memory chip. The configuration of the network adapter is implemented via integrated web server. The network adapters support full SNMP Simple Network Management Protocol functionality. The network adapter has the ability to forward trap messages to up to 3 IP addresses. WAGNER, the better solution in fire protection.